Today we are taking a look at VEVOR's outdoor storage. Can't really say container, can't really say bin, because it's you know, based off of the materials made on. So outdoor storage, I'm not quite exactly sure, but that doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and open it up, show you guys what you get. So this is what it looks like. You have stakes and different poles that you connect. You run it through, and storage canvas maybe. I've also seen people actually use this for covers, like lawnmower covers and other covers, because it's waterproof. So if you don't even want to use any of the accessories that it comes with, you could definitely use it as a cover as well. Using it as a cover, so we are personally have this massive canopy, and we don't have any room out here for anything big because this is really big. So we're using this as a cover for our lawnmower. We also have a electric scooter I want to redo under here and set this up, and we can put our mower, which this is our mower right now, in here, and we can also fit our electric scooter under here as well, and it makes a great tarp, it makes a great cover. So for whatever needs you are using, this is going to work great. If you use it as a bin, as a storage canvas, or use it for a tarp or cover, overall it's going to work great for anyone's needs.